Let's take a look at this pour over coffee maker. This is by Agaro. The model is called Elite. 800 ml is the capacity. Some of the features: borosilicate glass, stainless steel filter dripper, heat resistant and non-porous, measuring mark on body, wooden sleeve protection. It's around 2,999 rupees or $35 or so. So let's see what we get. That's how it looks. Some of the features. That's the stainless steel filter, which has these really tiny holes in it, so you can use this without the filter. This is made out of wood, so easy to handle when it's hot. There is a pouring spout. Glass is quite thick too. You put the coffee powder in there, then do the pour over method. So let's make some. I used ChatGPT to get the pour over recipe. It takes about 3 minutes to make. I used about 15 grams of coffee and 250 ml of water. It's quite a relaxing process, and the coffee it makes is so delicious. It is quite easy to clean too, quite nice. Check it out.